Crafting custom dental crowns, the artistry behind functional restorations. With regards to dental restorations, they play vital roles in restoring the form, size, and function of teeth that is damaged or affected. The dental crown is a custom-designed cap placed on damaged teeth to repair the strength and appearance of the tooth. The primary purpose behind dental crowns is providing the necessary restorations. There's another aspect of art in the creation of custom-made dental crowns that is often unnoticed. In this clip, we'll look at how to create custom dental crowns, as well as how experienced dental technicians design functional restorations that match with patients' natural teeth. Understanding the role of dental crowns. Before exploring the art involved in creating custom dental crowns, it's crucial to comprehend what role dental crowns are playing in restorative dental. The use of dental crowns is to safeguard and reinforce the tooth that is weak or damaged, to repair damaged or chipped teeth and cover dental implants or enhance the appearance of a distorted or discolored tooth. Dental crowns are generally comprised of a range of material, like porcelain, ceramic, and other material. Each has distinct advantages, and it is selected depending on the patient's particular desires and requirements. The artistry of crafting custom dental crowns. The process of creating personalized dental crowns for your needs is a delicate process that requires the combination of both technical expertise and artistic sense. Highly skilled dental technicians collaborate with dental professionals and patients to develop and make custom dental crowns that don't solely restore the functions of teeth, but increase its look. The first step of creating custom dental crowns is to take exact impressions of the patient's teeth. These impressions will be created into a mold of the mouth of the patient that acts as a template for the customized crown. Dental technicians then meticulously forms and sizing the crown, ensuring it is a perfect fit to the affected tooth. After that, the dentist is focused on the aesthetic aspects on the crown. By combining shades and mixing of colors, the technician will match the shade of the crown to patient's natural teeth to ensure the crown is seamless and nearly indistinguishable with the adjacent teeth. When the crown is created, it's assessed for comfort and fit before being permanently bonded into place by a dentist. It is the result of a customized dental crown which restores the aesthetics and function of the affected tooth and also enhances the overall appearance of the smile. The importance of customization in dental crowns. One of the major advantages of dental crowns that are custom-made are that they are fully customized to fit the individual needs of each patient. In contrast to conventional crowns, custom dental crowns are made to be specifically made for the patient and take into account things like the shape of teeth dimensions, size, color, and the alignment. Dental crowns that are custom-made offer the precision and individuality that can't be accomplished with standard crowns. With the ability to customize the dimensions, shape, and color that the crown is made, dental professionals can design restorations that match effortlessly with a person's natural teeth. The result is the appearance of a natural smile that is visually appealing and also functional. Apart from their attractive benefits, custom dental crowns have superior durability and long-lasting in comparison to standard crowns. Because they are custom designed and made to match the unique anatomy of each person's teeth and anatomy, they're less prone to fracture and chip or breakdown in time. This ensures long-lasting restorations that are able to stand up to the stress of daily usage. The future of custom dental crowns. With the advancement of technology as it does, the craft of making custom dental crowns is advancing into new levels. The use of digital technology and computer-aided designs, CAD, allows dental technicians to make highly accurate and precise dental restorations specific to each person's individual dental anatomy. Thanks to CAD/CAM technology, dental professionals can design and create custom dental crowns within just a fraction of the time they would need to use traditional techniques. It not only decreases the total time to treat patients, but also enhances the quality and comfort of the crown. It results in a more pleasant and lasting restoration. Making custom dental crowns really an art of its own, which blends technical expertise along with precision as well as creative vision. Highly skilled dental technicians are able in creating custom restorations that can not only repair the functionality of a tooth that has been damaged, but also improve the aesthetics of a smile. Through a focus on personalization and precision, Custom-made dental crowns are durable along with aesthetics and ease of use, and are a perfect alternative for those who want functional restorations that are seamlessly integrated with their own natural teeth.